All right, guys. So I've been doing a little evaluation. I'm gonna pull this off here in a moment, but I'm curious what's above this windshield here that I found some new rust. So I'm gonna cut the windshield rubber out. I've been trying to get the chrome off, but it's really hard. It's full of sand and dirt. So I'm gonna cut the edges of the rubber. I'm gonna be replacing it anyways. I wanna not break the windshield and I don't wanna damage this chrome. So I'm gonna start doing that, and then we'll start moving along with this. All right, guys, I got the truck tore pretty far down. I guess it stopped recording partially into removing the doors, but currently I'm getting ready to remove the cab off the chassis. I cut out these plates on the plasma cutter here, and I'm going to weld these supports in between the doors here. Just because I found some problems here, and I found that some of this isn't even welded in. It is just glued underneath, and they did some patch panels in the floor and they're just glued in. They're not really welded, they're just like spot welded, and I don't want to put this on a cart without it being 100% square. And I'm worried about the doors and the gap changing due to the structure not being put in properly. I'm going to go through and weld it all in after I get it blasted, and we'll really be able to evaluate it. But it really sucks that people do poor quality, and it's very disappointing for whoever comes across this truck that has no ability to do this or the understanding of what was done. So that's not fair at all. But we are doing well. This side's been done the same way. I'm not very happy, but we will address that. All right, guys, got this all welded in. It's solid as can be. Worked out really good. So excited. The dash is pretty much gutted besides the gas pedal and the oil pressure line. All right, this side, I put these on all my cars when I put them on a rotisserie, so it kind of holds it all together. But this I did a little different because I'm tired of climbing over these to get in to do any welding or anything on the inside of the cab. So on this one's a little different. I made it so it kind of bends up so you can at least step in here. It's still supported, and then when I'm rolling it over, this can go down like that. And then I got these bolts here that there'll be 4 bolts that go in here, and this will bolt together. Another bolt here, and then it's just as rigid as the other side. So super cool. But I was thinking I probably would give these away to one of you guys once I'm done, get the truck painted and put back on this chassis, which will be 2 months I'm giving myself. Get the truck fully painted and all the body work done. I'll give these away to one of you guys when I get this mounted back on the chassis. And maybe we'll do like a drawing or something. So stay tuned for that. I'll probably have you guys just pay the shipping, and whoever wins, and I'll send them off to you. And especially if you're doing a C10 like this, super cool, super easy, and they're super awesome. I like it. Makes it easy to get in and out. So guys, hit subscribe, check out all my videos, and stay tuned on this truck build. Next week we will get the cab fully pulled off, and along with the core support's pretty much ready to come off. I just got to drain the antifreeze. I just haven't done that yet. And then we'll be starting some patch panel work. I'm going to try to get someone out here to get this blasted and figure out what is what is going on with all these repairs, and what can we do. So, but we'll get this going. Thanks, guys.